Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of grammar. Students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is article writing. Mostly you are learning here different topics of grammar which help you to speak better English, better language. In this video session, today we are going to learn a topic from writing section, and that is article writing. You have already learned some other topics of likely diary writing, notice writing, essay writing, paragraphs writing. Here you have a new topic from composition field, that is chapter 4, article writing. And I am sure that today you will learn this topic and you will be able to write the article, how you can really make an impressive article, how you can write, and you can present your idea, your view, your observations, anything that you want to describe in a very systematic way. This is what article writing teaches us. So let us see here first, what is the purpose of article writing? That is a very important first. Let us learn first the purpose of article writing. Article is written to cover a variety of themes to describe a person and her or his life and achievements. When you are writing an article, this covers greater fields, several fields. Like you describe in article sometimes about a person, about his or her life and achievements in his or her life. On topics of social interest, article is written. To describe an event, article is written. Or arguments for or against, means in the favor or against a topic, etc. That is all written in a long and sustained piece of writing in a very clear way. And this article can be seen, different articles you must have read, you must be reading in newspapers every day, in English, in Hindi. Different kinds of articles are written by learned people, by scholars regularly, and it has a great impact on our mind, and we are able to add to our knowledge. We widen our view and perception of life reading these articles. So everything this is here the part of here our personality, and we should develop this skill, how to write, how to express. Like you are writing a letter, you are writing an essay, you are writing a paragraph, you write a diary. Through all this you express your view and idea, your experience. So article also is one of the topics which reveals or just clears your view, your observations, your experience of life. Through this you can describe. So let us see here about diary writing. First, this view. Purpose. The purpose of article writing is to spread this information in a greater range of fields. It is not just for one person or one people, here some people only. The article that you write, it is going. But the purpose of this one is to spread this information through article writing in a greater range of fields, like magazine. You are just reading the articles in magazine that is read by lakhs of people, millions of people. In school text, you have here several articles, you go through, you read them, you study them, and you add to your knowledge. Your view is clear about something, some topic or some issues. Newspaper and other areas of media. In newspaper you see every day, you can really just come across several such articles, interesting articles related to every person, every age group of people. So article is of great importance in our life. You must develop how to write it and practice it almost every day, whenever any idea or you go and see any just people somewhere, or you are just really witnessing some of the events, certainly you develop this skill how to write that, how to describe that in your own language. What is important features of article? When you write an article, what do you find? That there are features of an just article. An article should have an interesting and eye-catching title for headline, which can, title or headline, which can draw the attention of the readers in the very first sight. You must give the title just such attracting, so eye-catching, so that any person who is going to read your article should be involved, should be engaged, should get lost and to read to the last word of your article. It should be so interesting. So first you give a catchy title, attractive headline, whatever article it is. Next one is here that an article should contain clear, accurate and balanced content. Whatever you are writing, it should be clear. There should not be any confusion to the reader. What is here in the article? What is the purpose? On which theme it is focusing? It should be clear, accurate, and in a balanced content. Not anything extra unnecessary which can create boredom. It should have original and logical arrangement of ideas. Whatever you are writing, it should be original, not a stolen, not copied from someone. And with a logical arrangement should be here completed with logical ideas. An article should contain paragraphs that introduce the theme, conclude the cause-effect relationship, and offer suggestions. Not only you write that one, but when you are writing on social issues, on some common problems, you should no doubt conclude the cause-effect relationship and even offer suggestions. You give your own view and you just personal observations and views that you have regarding that issue, regarding that topic. It should be here just included. Your article should include that, and it should be precise, it should be accurate and balanced in a very just logical arrangement. Articles should be expressed and written. Here we have some more points that is here to note down. While writing an article, we should know our audience for whom we are writing. Who is the audience? What really class of people, which grade of the people? That means here you are going to write the article about whom the article is related. So you have to keep in mind so that your article should really will be specialized in that here just way, and will be focusing that points related to that. So you must here always know the audience for whom you are writing and the needs of our readership. We have to be unique and passionate for our writing. You must have that here passion. You must be unique in your way, in your style, in your just view, what you are presenting, what you are writing. That is essential for a good writing, for an attracting article. Now, here you have a format. This is the format that you have to keep in your mind when you are writing an article. What steps should be taken, what steps are here before writing an article. As you have learned how to write diary, how to write a letter, formal letter, informal letter. You have different format and you are following. Unless you follow the format what is suggested, that like that you have to start, like that in the middle you have to just cover this theme, body, and then just at last you are concluding. So there is a format of article writing as well. First of all, you must give a heading. What will be the heading? So give it clear and comprehensive, understandable heading in a very just simple way, simple words. Byline. That is here a line introducing the writer and the subject. What is the subject? Purpose. That should be here indicated there. And then in the first step you have to give introduction. What will be included in introduction? Draw the attention and state your idea. Draw the attention first here of the readers. What are you going to describe? What is the theme based on? And then you state your idea. You tell your idea in a clear view, in a clear way. Then will be the body. That is will be the middle part of the article. In that body, you make points and develop ideas. You make here different points on different here points you are going to give your just a view, your idea. And support main claim. Whatever just claim you are making here, main claim, that you support with different points, different views and ideas, which will clear and which will help the reader to understand the purpose of article, what you are writing, on which content your article is based on. Then will be at last the conclusion. That will be here, last part will be conclusion. On the part of that one here, you have to re-emphasize the main idea. What idea you have started, the main idea of your article, you again give stress on that. Again you give force on that. That should be the focusing point in the conclusion. And as you have been already told in the body, you show here cause effect here of that one. And no doubt, you give your strong view, strong idea, in the logical arrangement, so that the readers must be satisfied, must be contented, and should appreciate your view, your writing. And that is what here the features of article writing. Like that you will conclude. Your name is already on the top here. Okay, that is introducing the writer and the subject. So there only your name is. So there is no need to write the name at last. So student, article writing is really very interesting part of our personality. We must do. We must always practice. Whenever you find a chance to do so, you must do that one. And that can only enhance your view, and that will, here you have here so many here things here that is given on page 194, 195, and you have here then the exercise that you have to write on page 196 to write articles. So here it is here the question that you will write, question that is in the first question. Technology has robbed the present generation of the habit of reading. Here, very interesting topic. As the technology has developed today, high technology, advanced technology, it has no doubt stopped the new generation, the present generation. It has deprived these people of new generation habit of reading. Means they have no habit now to read only. They have no time to read because they take help and they get the information quickly through all the sources that is today we have available. The technology has given to us. That is what net it is here. You have your laptop, you have computer, you have mobile, and through different media you are able to collect the information and you have no time so that you can read and give sufficient time in reading. So please develop this idea and complete this article. That is question number 1. Technology has robbed the present generation of the habit of reading. So it was what article writing. You have, of course, must have understood what is article writing and what is the purpose of it, and you will complete this question in your copy. So thank you, student. Thank you being with me learning this new topic, that was article writing. Thank you.